we're about to fix Nicole's, what do you call it, like this mirror? Vanita light. Huh? Vanity, was it? Vanity. We're about to fix Nicole's vanity light. This is Nicole's YouTube room. Welcome to the crib session. You know how we do it. You can't even see the wardrobe from there, you know. We have to get our own stylish wardrobe and thing. You know the thing set though. Free Rascal M. Guys who didn't know what free M meant, that was always asking me. It means 3 musketeers. Okay, so this is our 50 by 90 centimeters mirror. We are gonna turn this mirror into a vanity mirror.
It's from IKEA, guys.
Yep. Where is the mirror from?
IKEA.
If you wanna buy it, it only costs £15. And we have this light bulbs to create the vanity. This is, if you don't have this, you can't create the vanity. This is the whole point of the vanity mirror. This is the whole point, and this costs 2p.
No, it didn't. It cost 2p.
Hey, how much?
£10.
Wow.
$9.99.
Okay, so this costs £10 on eBay.
No, it wasn't eBay.
Where?
Amazon.
Okay, so this costs £10 on Amazon. To do the sticking, you need this to do the sticking.
This was £10 for 50 on Amazon as well.
This was £10 for 50. So if you want to order them, just search 3M stickers and then you find them. Guys, we're gonna show you how to fix your own vanity mirror. Rather than spending £400, £300. Imagine she was gonna go buy this thing for £400, and I slide the idea into her head that no. We can create. Creation is recreation. What I say? So we are gonna create our own 15 plus 10 plus 10, 15, 10, 10, 20 plus 15, 35. So that's £35, and people they sell this for £500. Anyway, let's see how this turns out.
Oh, and we bought this desk. I don't actually remember where we even got this from.
We bought this desk from eBay. First of all, my wife has to clean the mirror.
So what do I use? Wipes?
I don't think you use wipes for mirror.
I should use wipes. I think I should use like...
graphic. Newspaper.
No, not a newspaper.
Sure, you don't know the trick, eh?
No.
Babe, you just don't know the trick. Let me tell you something. You don't know, let me tell you something. If you are home and you have a mirror, try this. Take a newspaper, yeah? Take a newspaper and you see that cleaning stuff, put small on the newspaper and just wipe it on when you're wiping it, section by section.
Well, we
and
don't have
finish
newspaper, so we're not using that.
Matter.
So then what am I gonna use?
Mommy, just use the wipe. It's a fresh mirror as well anyway, so just where that little dot is, just
Maybe I can just see all your fingerprints on it. Look, all here, all
because
here.
I be global. Don't do that. All the mirror knows say I be too bad. You sure this is the best for her, mate?
Let me at least just take off the marks and then we'll dry it. I don't know how we're gonna dry it.
What we eating today? Man's hungry.
Chicken.
So you're gonna make the chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, you made the chicken, I made the stew.
Yeah.
And then the rice will just go on itself. Oh, we're gonna use the oven for the first time.
Oh yeah, this is our first time using the oven.
Yeah, the first working still. Was it that towel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's working. Can't do it too hard. You have to do it soft.
This fake Jamaican accent is ridiculous.
Only haters will call it fake.
Your whole girlfriend is Jamaican, so it's not fake.
And babe, you're not Jamaican, you are St. Lucian.
Wow! Wow! You do. When people come for me now, oh, she's lying. She said she was Jamaican.
And I'm being real to them. My wife no be from Jamaica. My wife is from St. Lucia. Why? Should we call your mom and ask your mom?
My mom's whole dad is Jamaican.
And your mom is what?
St. Lucian and Jamaican.
Your mom is what? Jamaica days are my baby. You be St. Lucia or you be St. Lucia. You don't be Jamaica. You not be Jamaica.
I'm so confused.
When was the last time you went to Jamaica? Have you been to Jamaica?
Have Have you been to Jamaica?
Have you been to Jamaica?
Have you been to Jamaica?
My dreadlocks is in Jamaica. How about that? What part of your body is in Jamaica?
Your dreadlocks are fake.
Okay, I'm gonna prove this to you guys right now. Yeah. Don't let me plug my hair out, baby. Yeah. Don't let me plug my. If you need your wall, if you really want your wall, you need to get those kind of stickers where when you're peeling it off, it doesn't affect the wall.
Yeah, so can we do the lights now?
Okay, so first things first, we are gonna insert the light icon.
What we're doing is putting the light on the mirror first. Because guys, in order to make it look nice, we need to put these like wires behind.
Did you say knife?
No, I didn't say knife.
Wow. Your English is
nice.
Running away like mine.
Nice. I rebuke what you just said.
You don't have English like me.
I rebuke.
Oh, Jai.
You section out the bulbs how you would like it, just to see how it's gonna look. Also, don't forget, wherever your plug is, make sure that your USB or your plug is on that side of the mirror. Because if your plug is on the right hand side of the mirror and you put the end cable on the left side, you're pissed. Stop swearing.
You're stacked. So 3 down there, 5 down here.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, like how?
So like this. Wow, this looks very interesting. Yeah.
All we have to do is make sure like this one's got reasonable space, you know, between them. Yeah, this makes sense. 6 at the top, 3 on side, 3 on side.
Yeah, these stickers came with my lights. So it's double-sided. So I feel like we should start sticking on.
Yeah. Make sure you get a proper edge, you know.
The edge.
Yeah. Has to be on the full edge still. Yeah, right, that's all.
Yeah.
Babe, don't press it down and take it off, you know.
No. Should I do it this way?
So the wire can be able to go back.
Way. Yeah, what do you think?
That's the way still.
So explain to them.
I think you should bring it closer a bit to the edge. Yeah, sweet.
Yeah? I'm going down now. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we put the wire facing outwards so it's easier to hide.
To hide the wires after.
Yeah.
This is Vanity Mirror 1.
Okay.
Babe, I think you should do it because me, me I go stick it wrong. Up.
Let's do this one. Now I'm gonna do the upper corner. I should do all the way to the edge.
All the way to the edge, you know. Bring it more to the side. Perfect. But don't let it come off the
Down.
It has to be symmetric.
Down.
Because the hypotenuse is longer than the esophagus.
Fuck's sake, babe. You're actually just so silly. Yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe we are teaching them something.
Actions speak louder than words.
Exactly. So showing what I'm doing properly. You have an answer for everything, don't you?
Yeah, because I'm a black man. And I got dreadlocks.
Fake dreadlocks.
Nah, don't be saying that because people are actually going to think it's fake now. You're a fake Jamaican because you're from St. Lucia.
My granddad.
Granddad, your father is from Ghana, your mom is from St. Lucia. Santa Lucia. These are our movements. King Aris.
We need to check it's in the middle. How do we do that?
We just know it's in the middle, babe.
Oh my god, let me stand up. I'm scared. Like this. Do this so we know it's in the middle.
3
Yeah, but
and a half.
that's not a half.
Let me do the right here.
No, it's not.
What do you mean?
Look, because this is the middle here.
I didn't say the middle do right here. What do you mean?
You didn't say that before. So the middle's here.
1. The middle do right here, babe. Trust me.
So this is the middle.
Uh-huh.
And you just have to just do it straight.
So you bringing it there, is that not the middle that I measured?
Yeah. This is the middle right here.
online. Put your finger there. Put your finger there. Online.
Right, this side.
Yeah, this is the middle. Ready?
R1. GEH boys do the next thing. King Global, make it all them. Everything nice and smooth, so here say all the girls here wanna take pictures. Our movement is a big thing for the whole world, like for the whole UK. This year, when they go global, we they take over, make no door. Move to the dance floor. Baby girl, don't go. Baby girl, put you back. Baby girl, dance so.
Done. Now, about to fix it. The back shot has been edited with 3M stickers. You see that? There's 2 lines. Put your hand in the middle of the 2 lines. Yeah. Stand on this side. Yeah.
It's not straight. This side's higher.
Okay. Now.
It's too low now. I think that's alright.
You sure? Because if it's elastic, it will stick. You sure? Yeah.
Push the down there. Push the edges in, the edges. Yeah. Push the edges.
Babe, you need to put it on.
Ooh. Dim. High.
There you have it. DIY Vanity mirror light.
Let me put a tape in front. Ooh, come sit down. Cheers! Guys, instead of going to buy for £500, easy peasy lemon squeezy. You like it?
I love it.
Oh. Don't you think there's 2 in the corners? You don't think so? It looks like we're performing black magic. Those 2 candles in the corner.
I'm dead.
Nah, baby, this is sexy.
Finish!
C'est finito.
Under 35.
Under £35. Guys, there you go, right there. Peace out.
£8.
C'est finito?
Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any more DIY hacks that we can do, because we're
Yeah.
saving money, because
You gotta save your money, man. Peace.